Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hopefully, you are doing well.
Class 4, today we are going to revise lesson number 3, topic joystick. A joystick is an input device which consists of a vertical handle which can move in two directions and allows the cursor on the screen to move in the same way. Dear students, as you all know that joystick is also an input device and it consists on a vertical handle, and this handle is only move in two directions. So when you move the joystick by your hand, the cursor on the computer screen moves in the same way where you are moving your joystick. What is the basic difference between mouse and joystick? So in this paragraph you are going to learn the basic difference between joystick and mouse. A joystick is similar to the mouse except that when you use a mouse, the cursor stops moving as soon as you stop moving the mouse. So dear students, as you move mouse on mouse pad, the cursor moves with the direction you moving your mouse. But when you stop using your mouse, the cursor stops moving on the computer screen as soon as possible. But with the joystick, the pointer continues moving in the direction where the joystick is pointing. With the joystick, it is continuous moving of cursor where you point your joystick. To stop the pointer, you must return the joystick to its straight position. For stopping cursor moving on the computer screens, you have to return joystick in its straight position. Most joysticks include two buttons called triggers. So the buttons that present on the joystick is known as triggers. Joysticks are basically used for playing games. So what is the basic use of joystick? Joystick is used for playing games. Dear students, come to the exercise question number 4, part C, which is regarding our today's revision topic. What are the uses of a joystick? Joystick is used for playing games and joystick is used to control the movement of the cursor.